Look how we let them trick us out of Jamaica. Run left Jamaica, sell off everything we have out of our country, come to America. Some of there live in a people basement. Some of there freeze. And not only that, I live on that bridge. Got enough people now have nowhere to go. And we all know there's a lot of Jamaican right now in America, even in Canada and Europe, will have a lot of regrets because them know say enough of the things where them when them leave Jamaica and come at these places, them and say, Lord, I go save a little bit of money and go back and build a house or buy a house and start a little business. Enough of them just throw that through the window once them reach it. We get caught up sometime now because we are human beings. Imagine you are a veteran in the United States and know you're going to get deported to Jamaica where you have not been in 50 years. You've been living in the United States 50 years. If we put this same energy what we have when we come out of this country for work hard and build ourselves, we can't do the same in our country too, you know. It's just sometimes I know say Jamaica kind of tough. I'm not going to sit down here and go on like say Jamaica easy for everybody because it's not. But look at now. When them get up and them suspend visa, which is immigrant visa for people come work and can help themselves, which is most of people might get it all misconstrued. Regular visa for just come visit, good. Work visa, which is like farm work and all of those other visas for come work, that's still good. But anybody that file for them picnic or them mother, anyone, even them spouse, have to wait until them reopen. Because right now, it's indefinite. Nobody knows when they're going to open up back. And me know, so right now, when that open up back, it's going to be a lot of adjustment because that's the whole reason for putting the suspension on it. And for those green card holders that have to renew their green card, that had been in trouble before, and know that they need to renew their green card, y'all get yourself a lawyer. Do not go doing this all by yourself, or you're putting in for your citizenship and you have a charge against you. Get you a lawyer, because a lot of people have been complaining that they're not getting any response. And we all know it's a possibility when they do get a response, some of them will have to leave, because I don't think they're really realizing that the whole system is about to be revamped. If it's your first time here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Julie. I hope everyone is doing well. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers for helping me get to that 14,000 mark, which is, I didn't know I would get this far, but I want to say thank you guys. Thank you. But like I was saying, a lot of the things that we let people clown us out of and tell us, oh, don't go back to Jamaica, don't buy a house in Jamaica, don't send your money go to Jamaica. I mean, if you send your money to people, I mean like investing in yourself, open a bank account, save your little money weekly, monthly, yearly, if that's the case, but have something for yourself. It's like a lot of the times we tend to feel like, say, better somewhere else. I mean, no, Jamaica did that run at one point. But to be honest, when you see Jamaica stay right now, enough people cannot go back to Jamaica, the same old Jamaica, and even buy back the house where them sell when them leave right now or afford it. It's so expensive for everything, and it's getting worse because we're getting priced out. A lot of the foreigners are coming down there, and they might take the money, they don't care, because they want a piece of the island life, which we all know say island land is prime land. And just like other islands out there, you see how much them house cost, and that's the same thing gonna reach Jamaica in a few years from now, because no people won't be able to afford anything. And it's sad, but it's a fact. So a lot of those people that overstayed on their visa right now, right, that came over here, got married, as them call it, run off, got married to an American citizen and having the time of their life, assuming that, hey, I'm married, so I'm going to get the visa. So why some of them are getting denied and getting arrested is just because they overstayed. It's a charge for that. You see, they implemented that stuff starting this year, where a lot of people don't understand. A lot of the rules and laws and everything that they claim they made last year was actually going in to effect this year, 2026. And just like the Asians, they came here and they've been living good, under the PTS, and they've been doing good with that. And you see, they wanted them to leave on the 3rd. A judge had to put a stop to it so they could still stay here and work, until whatever. But they're still not out the woods. Now, with the immigration and ICE, a lot of people still have to go face these people on a regular, and that's where they can get you, because if you have an appointment, not because you're afraid of ICE, you have to show up, because if you don't show up, then they're definitely going to come for you. So you have to take your chances and go in there. And what's so sad for me is all those people that we know say work them hard, working money and fight for them people for come America are weird, was supposed to come up and get them green card and stuff. Them people that were sit down in Jamaica are weird now. Already some of them had appointment, but for them put a pause, it don't matter if you had an appointment or not, them put a pause on it. So there's nothing you can really do. But what may I say is that it's sad because no them have the people that money sit down fan. Bad enough them can already reject you and tell you no or deny you or whatever. But the fact is that you're in a limbo, you don't know what to do. So a lot of people waiting for their children, their loved one, some of them, their mother, them father, and siblings, some of them too, because some people, take care of them family no matter what. So all of these people sitting here waiting in limbo, and to be honest, nobody no really and truly know what's going to happen, because the point is this. Them want to end chain migration, and they've been saying it for years, and a lot of people don't really read up and realize say eventually them gonna put a stop into who can file for who at some point, believe it or not, because me say Canada already do it. So them just a follow suit. America have a way of doing things, when them see other people do things, them follow, just like Jamaica follow America. I mean, I don't understand why, but anyways, what me I try to say is this: as a mother, father, sister, brother, and not having the people them at Jamaica wait, me when I tell you this, no matter what the case might be, don't get up and selling the things until you know for sure if you don't really come up or not. You understand me? And most importantly, don't wait till it's too late for buy a piece of land or a house or something at Jamaica, because sooner or later, like me say, we won't be able to buy anything. Remember, a lot of hardware down there have startup packages. Cause enough people have land at Jamaica and they're just afraid to go down there. And I don't know why. I'm going to say why not go afraid, because if God forbid anything happen and them get really crazy up here, I don't they're not going to. I don't they're not go. And if they're telling them to leave and they don't want to leave, you see, say them ready for send, I say everybody do it already. So that tell you where I go in America. I don't know. And a lot of people say, oh, be a citizen. Listen to me. Not set in a stone, because remember, a citizen, a naturalized citizen can be revoked. If them are run them own, we're born here out of here. You understand me? Anything is possible with these people. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but a lot of people already know that people already went in there for the citizenship. They gave it to them when the time for swearing. Then tell us, don't come. Do not show up. And another thing when people feel like, say, everybody I talk foolishness, nobody can't tell me nothing. Come in with my 2 eyes. I'll come up from Jamaica. I miss the green card all I get put aside. You hear me? So let me tell you this. If you don't know, say, certain things ain't right with y'all as far as like you've been in trouble or anything, like I said before, get your lawyer. Try to travel less unless you know, say, your things right. If your things right, nothing, and nobody have any problem once your green card straight. And for some of you guys that still waiting for your interview, be careful when you go in, because let me tell y'all this. ICE can arrest you, especially if you had a charge before or you have overstayed on your visitor's visa and got married. Do not think you're exempt because you're married to a citizen. I'm not saying they're going to do it, but you can be arrested because a law was passed last year, which was implemented for this year, 2026. I'm not sure how they're planning to go about it, but I could tell people right now, just be careful. So guys, like they say, prepare for the worst, hope for the best, and just, hopefully for a lot of us, this will die down soon. And if you come this far in the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. So, Army veteran that been living in the United States for over 50 years. That's from Jamaica. He's about to be shipped back to Jamaica. after he's been living here for over 50 years, served in the United States Army, a veteran, and I don't know what trouble he got himself into, but whatever the case might be, some technicalities of them sending his mail to the wrong address, never received that. He had a court date in 2014. Now he will be shipped back to Jamaica, because that's what I call it, or deported back to Jamaica. And they're trying their best to keep him here, but I don't see what's so hard in if someone doesn't serve your country. And they're saying that he never became a citizen, so I guess that's the case, because it didn't make sense to be a veteran and then you're not a citizen. But at the end of the day, he's not, so they're going to send him back to Jamaica. Now, that's a hard pill to swallow after 50 plus years living in the United States, serving the Army, pay your dues as you think you might have did, but because you didn't become a citizen, you cannot stay. And they already have a deportation order for him put out sometimes this week, and he's not the only one that's going to get sent home. It's a lot of people getting sent home from here back to Jamaica, and a lot of them going to be living in some places that they haven't been in years. Some of them is going to look foreign to them, just the same way, as if when they came here, because they know it's different. Jamaica have changed, and some of them have nothing there, so what are they going back to? And that's one of the main reasons for me doing what I did, is to make sure that no matter what situation, I have somewhere to call home when I go back to, because I don't want to be stuck with anyone. I don't want to live with anyone. And I do understand that some people did decide that they're going to live here in America, and that's okay too. But for me and for the people that I see right now that's trying to come here, I will tell them, don't run off and get yourself in any situation where you can't fix, because some of it is going to be unfixable after a while, because they already made it clear if you're staying over 30 days, some people you have to go back in and tell them you're staying over 30 days, especially if they only gave you 30 days. So you have to apply for extension, and it's a fee. That's what they said. I'm not sure how it works, but whatever the case might be, a lot of people is going to face the music sooner or later. Not having anywhere in Jamaica is one of the hardest thing for when you go back home and you have no one to turn to. And a lot of people work out, believe it or not, it work out for them where they wind up even having their own place after years and jobs, and if you have the education for it. But being maybe around 50, 60 years old, that's a hard pill to swallow, having nothing in Jamaica and you got to go back home. But guys, it is what it is. There's nothing we can really do about that. But if you come this far, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. God bless.